What's up, buddy? Jeff, give me a hug, man. How you doing? Ah, Jeff, no!
We're
being invaded. I went after the Holy Grail Moose Book. Jeff, you all right, buddy? Jeff, this is a terror play. Did you really think that stealing the Holy Grail Moose Book would really save the day, man?
Dude, don't worry about it.
Stay back! You will never get my moose book because you can't catch me because I'm a moose and I'm super fast and I am unstoppable, guys. Cyclops, are you ready?
Yeah.
What's up? You good, buddy?
I'm going faster.
Oh, come on, man. I thought you've been hitting the gym recently. You said you've been running the tracks, hitting the gym, doing the thing, drinking the moose book. Nice. Okay, come on, buddy. Let's go, man. We gotta go to the daycare. We gotta see what our boy Jeff the Moose is up to today. Yay!
Dude, let's go see what's going on.
Jeff! Hi, Jeff. Hey, what's going on, man? What you doing today, Jeff? Wait, where's it? Yo, I just gotta ask, where's everybody at, man? I haven't seen Brick Balls. I haven't seen Lizzie. I haven't seen nobody here, man. Hey, or Sly. Like, where'd everybody go, man? Are they still on the field trip?
Dude, why are you being so loud?
Everyone, calm down. Jeff, what's going on, man?
Calm down.
Oh, we can't tell me to calm down when I'm panicking, because when I calm down, then you calm down. Relax. We have an assignment. What kind of assignment are we talking about? Is the assignment? Wait, hold on. I have an idea. I've been getting emails. Emails about what? Yo,
emails,
how does your mask hold on? You're like, it's like halfway.
Hey, dude, you don't want to know.
And people showing up to my lab. What do you mean showing up to your lab, Jeff? What's been going on, bro? Listen. I'm listening, Jeff. Come on, man. You're like heavily breathing. I'm kind of scared, man. Moms are angry.
Moms are angry. Dude, that's not making much sense. What do you mean?
What are you talking about? Moms are angry, man. Are you good? They say I'm not safe. Jeff, you realize that every time it comes to the daycare. Yeah, exactly, man. Jeff, that's what I'm talking about. Jeff, no. Put it down.
Just stop. If you want to keep your safety rating, dude, stop.
And the daycare isn't safe. Well, I'm wait.
Dude.
Jeff?
Let's just back away.
You're trying to kill my babies! Oh, no, she's definitely mad. Jeff?
Over here. Moose. Let's go. We gotta go, dude. He seems angry, dude. We
Not another one! Jeff, this is for you. This is for you. I'm going to sue you! Oh, no. One of those people. Oh, no, here we go. Hi, lady! Okay. Back up! Jeff, this is very bad. I don't know where this is going at all, man.
Calm down, calm down, Jeff. Just look.
50 feet from my daycare, I call the cops. Yo, this is getting intense, man. This is so unsafe. She sounds really dramatic,
What do you
man.
mean unsafe?
Oh, snap, Jeff, what are you doing? Jeff, this is bad. Oh.
What do you mean unsafe? I don't know what you're on about.
What do you mean unsafe, Jeff? I'm pretty sure that's how you get the cops called on you. Okay. Put it down. We can't daycare blow up today.
Okay, fine.
Not today,
okay,
man. Not today.
Hey,
Back up from my daycare. Okay, all right, fine. We're backing up for the daycare, man. Okay.
Hey, Jeff, what's up, dude?
Hey, Cyclops. What's wrong?
It's Cyclone, but that was fine because you're annoyed. Okay,
what's up, Cyclops? Dude? You have one eye. It's true. You have one eye. Hashtag Cyclops. Oh, come on, man. If we don't make a good impression, you're going to military school. Turn hut. Drop and give me 50. Go. Drop and give me 50 right now!
1.
I got you, Jeff. I got you, buddy.
2.
Does he not understand how that works?
3.
Does he not understand at all? I don't get
8.
it. No.
Potato.
Definitely don't get it.
12.
We need to mom-proof this daycare. How do we mom-proof the daycare? I got you, man. I'll put down a bunch of moose books. What are you doing? Hey! Come on, man. Jeff, don't be breaking my stuff. What are you doing? Jeff? That's a waste. What do you mean? Cyclone, are you good? Cyclone? Oh, no. Cyclone's not moving. Cyclone! Cyclone, we got pop!
Well, I didn't take anything. Look, okay, fine.
Lava more effective.
Dude, I still have TNT. Okay, I'm sorry.
Give me the TNT. We can't be blowing things up today, man. It's always a mess, dude. Okay, man. All these crazy jokes. It ain't good, man. Where'd that mom go? Huh.
I don't know. I'm very. Okay, well, now that she's got. What's up?
I think these daycare's haunted. There's spooky ghosts.
Haunted by scary moms.
I hear spooky ghosts. You hear that? I heard that.
I do, dude.
I got rid of her. Hey, what's up, buddy? How you doing, Jeff? Do you guys not listen? Cyclone, I have a really good idea, man. Check this out, man.
Dude, what's
I'm gonna do a belly flop after this water slide. Ready?
Moose, don't do it. Don't do it.
Yeah!
You okay?
Oh,
no,
I'm good, buddy. I'm alive. Yay!
Yeah.
Yo, it's a mini pig.
Wait, what did Jeff? I closed the door. Dude, that's...
Look! Jeff,
Jeff,
that's a bad idea. Oh, no.
Run!
You know, we tried one time. We really tried one time to prevent the daycare from blowing up. This is what happens, man. I'm sorry, guys. Are you kidding me? Yo, that mom looks really, really angry, man. Jeff, Jeff,
listen,
you gotta figure this out, man.
These
blocks are so unsafe!
The wall! What
She's,
do you mean it's unsafe?
I mean, someone could trip over them. Think about it. Oh.
I mean, well, I didn't.
Big Pinky, come here! Oh, that was
fireproof. Oh no,
Mom's fireproof.
Oh no, fireproof.
They can trip and get hurt. Yo, she's really mad, man. I don't like this at all, man. I don't like this one bit. Jeff, this is. I tell them not to do it, and they do it anyways.
Moose, whereabouts are you? I have a secret escape from the chaos, dude.
Where'd you go?
Whereabouts are you? Dude, come near the steps.
Where? What steps?
Hey! Moose, follow me.
Oh no. I'm calling the cops on you. That's it, Jeff. You're gonna get arrested, bro. Where'd you go? Where we going?
Go.
What are you doing, man?
We're gonna go watch from a safe distance, dude.
Okay. Oh, we gotta stay safe, man. Safety is first, okay? You're gonna activate my final form. What?
Wait.
I feel like he's so corny sometimes, you know? Like he's just so. I never know what he's talking about. No, there's a hole. They're gonna fall in. Yo, she's really mad, man. Yo, Jeff, you gotta figure this out.
His final form.
Wow. That's lovely. You know what? I like it, man. That's absolutely amazing, dude. You're a horse. Oh no. Get out. Get out. Oh. Why do we do this?
No, he's got a bow and arrow. Okay, I see what
Jeff, that's so unsafe, buddy. The mom's gonna be mad.
Please,
run, kids, run. Come on, we gotta go, Cyclone. I'm not leaving until it's a safe place. This creature is dangerous. Come on, hurry.
I'm bed warsing, dude. I'm bed warsing. We need to go.
Oh no. Triggered. She's really triggered. Let's go. Follow me. We gotta find a very safe spot. Right over here.
There's a door. This isn't even a.
You're killing the kids!
Okay.
I mean, not really killing anybody, but I guess you can over-exaggerate it. Lady, let's compromise! What? Is that the right word for that?
Sneak up on them, dudes.
All right, come here. Come on, let's go. No! Never! Yo, Jeff, she's really mad. You really have to figure this out. You gotta tame this person, man. She's gonna probably beat you up, man. I want you to keep your eye and not make your Cyclops 2.0 and you leave. Well,
he ripped out my eye. Take care of him. Go.
Yeah, box her. Box him. My bad.
Yeah,
you get the point.
I don't have an eye. It totally isn't under this. I don't have an eye. Help me.
Give me that.
I have an eye. No, don't take my mask. No, don't expose me. No.
I don't care if I'm a Cyclops. I just want my kids to be safe. What did I tell you? I'm sorry. I don't. Hey. Don't hit me like that, man. Don't be using that bow and arrow around me.
One more.
Run!
One more time.
No witnesses. What do you mean no witnesses? Jeff, honestly, you know what?
Dude?
Hold on, stop running. Let me say something. Jeff, I feel like you can't take this mom on. Like, I don't think you can beat her in a boxing match. She looks pretty tough, dude. I think that she'll probably wreck you, honestly. Box! Lady, I got a test tube in the lab with your name on it. Oh, you went there, dude. Jeff, I don't know, man. She looks like she could really beat you up, bro. She seems like a really tough mom. Just saying, man. Listen, dude, if she's got to protect the kid, she's going to do it. You know, you can't stop her. Mom's come first. Just saying. Hey, no, Jeff, stop it. Jeff, stop it.
Do it. I dare you. I have changed
Jeff,
you, dude.
she could probably bench press more than you too, Jeff. You got those little puny arms, your little T-Rex arms. Is that what you do with the kids? You're a monster. You are. Oh, he went there. Oh, he went there. Oh, this is not good. Oh, snap.
Wow.
This is
He's
gonna go to school. Oh, rap battle. I got an education.
I don't think
that's how. I don't know. Yo, have a rap battle with her, bro. Yo, Jeff, you're a moose, but you look like a horse because you smell like a poop. Hey!
Gonna light the fire because that was lit.
Oh, my bad. Oh, snap. Oh no. Oh!
Dude, it was too lit. It was too lit. They're having a staring contest.
I'm a stay-at-home mom. I don't need a job, but I'll fight you and win. Oh, snap. Jeff, you gotta go, bro.
Oh, no.
Listen, lady. Oh, man. Box.
Want to see what they call
he's got a sword. I got you. I'll help you out. There we go. There you go. It's Jeff the Moose. There we go.
Bye.
Jeff, just stay still, buddy. And let me just fix that for you. Let me use some commands, and we're good. Isn't it? You
let
were a donkey, but that's an upgrade because you used to be a donkey. Oh, snap.
Oh, no, he didn't.
Fight, fight, fight. I feel like it's a really bad idea. I don't know what we're doing honestly anymore. I really don't know what's going on.
I have an idea.
What's the idea, Cyclops? What do they do?
Just don't pay attention to me. Just don't pay attention to me.
What
don't worry about it.
Are you giving her potions?
No.
You're a half donkey. You scam his mom. Oh, snap. Oh, no.
Yeah,
no,
take
no,
him
no.
out. Take him out.
Yo,
Jeff,
let's go. Come on, bro. Box him.
Take him out. Go.
Yeah, box him. You go, mom.
Oh, yeah. Go,
Up.
go.
Up.
Oh.
Hey.
Walk.
Oh, no. Oh, no. Bye, Jeff.
Bye.
Yo, look at Jeff getting wrecked, man. Jeff, you are really getting wrecked here, bro. You got nothing. Oh.
Oh, no. He's ascended to the next level. Moosh, we gotta go.
I got a good rap for you. Oh, he's rapping. Jeff's dropping a fat beat, dude. Let's go, yo. Photoshop Jeff with some bars and a microphone and cool glasses. Go. All right. Moose life. Okay, so Jeff, yo, how about this? You guys have a rap off. You can all, okay, so come up with the one really good verse. You gotta say it to each other, okay? The winner with the best verse wins. We're gonna vote who's gonna have the best verse. Sounds good, man? So Jeff, you start off, type something up, man. All right, and same with you, Angry Mom. Ready? I'm ready, dude. Just type something up. I want to hear this, dude. I'll rap it out for you guys, okay? My name's Jeff, also known as Big Hefe. This track cooked you up so bad. The new name is Chefe. Oh, snap! No! Things are on fire! It's actually lit! Ah! Get it out! That was actually pretty cool. Oh, no, I'm gonna die. Oh, no. Oh, no.
Right here. Dude, it was too lit, though.
It's so lit that the fire's exploding! You done, lady? Yo, she's getting called out, man. She's getting called out. I don't think she knows how to respond to this, dude. I don't think she knows how to respond. This is actually pretty crazy, man.
It was way too lit, that one.
Hey, I did the music well. I'm a mom with a gun that ain't afraid of nothing. I'll make some cookies that will turn you into a muffin.
Yeah, that wasn't. It wasn't that lit.
You got no chance. You're about to just rant. Oh man, this is so lit.
Oh, it was.
Ah, it's so lit. Ah, not again. Look, someone call the fire department. This place is about to burn down. I don't know what's going on anymore. I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and something for some more daycare videos.
Comment down below who you think won the rap battle.
Yeah, comment down below who do you think won the rap battle, the mom or Jeff. This place is about to burn down, so I'm gonna run away. Bye! Yeah! I ain't no rapper, but I can say that you smell bad, so just leave. I think Jeff won this one. I think Jeff won this one. I'm out of here. Yay! Terrible. Bye!